Alright, this is August the 13th, 2021. I'm in placement area number 8. This is the south WIER box. That's the south effluent ditch. This is before anything is going to happen. Try to take a video of it. This is where the handrails and walkway and everything's got to be removed and replaced. Okay, now that's facing north. So this is going to be the east side. Try to do the best I can. Hopefully I don't drop my phone. Get a video of all this. This is going to be on YouTube, so all this will be able to be paused if I'm going too fast. I'm trying not to move too fast, but not go too slow. Keep the video as short as possible, but also capture as much as possible at the same time. So here's the west end of the south WIER box. Of course, here's the south end, the levee side. There we go there. Okay. Yeah, it's got to be trimmed and everything. This is before anything starts happening, like I said. Give you a 360 view of the area. That's the lakeside.
We got 18 more maps delivered Wednesday? I think Wednesday. Kind of grown up. It is. Yeah, we drove to